Welcome back. Today we explore gravity not as a force, but as the very shape of the universe. Newton saw gravity as a pull. Einstein saw it as geometry, a warping of the four-dimensional fabric called spacetime. Imagine space and time as a smooth fabric. When you add mass, like a star, the fabric curves around it. Think of a bowling ball on a trampoline. The ball curves the surface. This curvature is what we feel as gravity. As John Wheeler said, matter tells space how to curve, space tells matter how to move. In flat space, objects go straight. In curved space, they follow geodesics, the shortest paths through warped geometry. This relationship is mathematically captured in the Einstein field equations, linking energy density to space-time curvature. This led to the equivalence principle. Being in a gravitational field is just like being in an accelerating frame. Since gravity is curved space, even massless light must follow those curves. Light actually bends near massive objects. We call this gravitational lensing. Massive galaxies act like giant magnifying glasses for the light behind them. In 1919, Sir Arthur Eddington confirmed this during a solar eclipse, proving Einstein's warped universe was real. Mass doesn't just warp space, it warps time. The stronger the gravity, the slower time flows. Mathematically, we use the metric tensor to define the distance between points in this 4D manifold. It even explained why Mercury's orbit shifts slightly every century, a puzzle that Newton's laws couldn't solve. This curvature is why your GPS works. Satellites must account for the faster flow of time away from Earth's mass. When massive objects accelerate, they send ripples through spacetime, gravitational waves confirmed by LIGO in 2015. Rotating masses even drag spacetime with them, a phenomenon confirmed by Gravity Probe B. Spacetime is fluid. So gravity is the geometry of the universe. Mass curves spacetime, and curvature dictates the motion of matter. But the math breaks at the center of a black hole. We still need a theory of quantum gravity to finish the story. The mystery of warped reality is far from solved, but every calculation brings us closer to the truth. Geodesics, metrics, and curvature. These are the tools we use to map the invisible fabric of existence. Remember, you're not seeing points in a void, but peaks and valleys in a four-dimensional masterpiece. The fabric of reality is waiting to be understood. Join me for Lesson 8 on black holes and check out the full playlist on James's Physics 101 to master relativity from the ground up.